Have you ever wondered what it's like to be the smallest, most caffeinated creature on the planet? Meet the hummingbird, nature's tiny fighter jet that can outmaneuver your average predator while consuming its body weight in nectar. Strap in as we dive into the secret life of these feisty little dynamos, where every day is an action-packed adventure. The metabolic marvels, fueling the flight. Hummingbirds are the high-performance athletes of the avian world. Their metabolism operates at an astonishing rate, allowing them to perform feats that seem impossible for their size. To sustain their rapid wing beats up to 80 times per second, they require an immense energy intake, consuming about twice their body weight in nectar daily. This incredible dietary need compels them to visit hundreds of flowers each day, sipping nectar and supplementing their diets with tiny insects and spiders for essential protein. What's truly fascinating is how they manage to process this energy. A hummingbird's heart can beat over 1,200 times per minute, pumping blood rich in oxygen and nutrients to fuel its flight. This high heart rate is matched by an equally impressive respiratory system that allows them to extract oxygen more efficiently than larger birds. While they are engaging in their frantic feeding frenzy, they are also engaging in a finely tuned dance of energy expenditure and intake. The hovering heroes, masters of flight. What sets hummingbirds apart from other birds is their incredible ability to hover. This skill is not merely a party trick. It's a vital adaptation that allows them to feed on nectar while suspended in midair. Achieving this hovering capability is no small feat. Hummingbirds have a specialized ball and socket joint at their shoulder, which enables their wings to rotate in a figure-8 pattern. This unique wing structure allows them to create lift both on the upstroke and downstroke of their wing beats. When a hummingbird hovers, it can maintain its position in front of a flower, probing the blossom with its long, specialized beak. This agility is complemented by rapid acceleration, allowing them to zip away from potential threats in an instant. Interestingly, their flight style includes the ability to fly backward and even upside down, making them acrobatic marvels of the animal kingdom. These remarkable flight mechanics not only facilitate feeding, but also play a crucial role in their aggressive territorial behavior. The tiny titans, size doesn't equal weakness. At first glance, one might underestimate the power of a hummingbird due to its diminutive size. Some species weigh less than a penny. However, these tiny titans are anything but meek. Males, in particular, exhibit fierce territoriality, aggressively defending their feeding territories from rivals. This behavior is essential for ensuring access to the best nectar sources, which are critical for their high-energy lifestyle. During breeding season, male hummingbirds engage in elaborate displays to assert dominance and attract females. They will often perform aerial acrobatics, flying high, and then diving towards the ground in a dramatic show of strength and agility. The vibrant plumage of males, which can include iridescent greens, blues, and reds, plays a crucial role in these displays, catching the light in a way that dazzles potential mates and rivals alike. The migratory marvels. Journeys of a lifetime. Hummingbirds are not just stationary marvels. Some species undertake incredible migratory journeys that defy imagination. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for instance, migrates alone across the Gulf of Mexico, a daunting journey of approximately 500 miles. They embark on this non-stop flight, which can last up to 20 hours, relying on their incredible endurance and navigational abilities. These migrations are not without risks. Weather conditions can change rapidly, and the availability of nectar along the route can be unpredictable. To prepare for their journey, hummingbirds engage in a behavior known as hyperphagia, where they consume large quantities of nectar in the weeks leading up to migration, significantly increasing their body fat to fuel the long flight. Their remarkable navigational skills allow them to return to the same breeding grounds each year. The colorful communicators. Nature's light show. Hummingbirds are often celebrated for their vibrant colors, but what many people don't realize is that these stunning hues are not due to pigments. Instead, the colors we see are a result of structural coloration, where microscopic structures in their feathers refract light. This phenomenon creates the iridescent appearance that shifts in color depending on the angle of light, making them appear like living jewels. These dazzling colors serve a critical purpose beyond mere aesthetics. During mating rituals, males display their bright plumage to attract females, while also signaling their fitness and health. The more vibrant the color, the more attractive they are to potential mates. Additionally, their colorful plumage plays a role in territorial disputes. Males use their colors to intimidate rivals, creating a visual spectacle that can help establish dominance without physical confrontation. The tiny architects, nests of wonder. The nest-building prowess of hummingbirds is a testament to their resourcefulness. Female hummingbirds take on the sole responsibility of constructing nests, often choosing hidden locations in shrubs or trees to protect their young. These nests are marvels of engineering, typically no larger than a $50 coin, and are made from an array of natural materials, including plant down, spider silk, and even bits of lichen. The use of spider silk is particularly ingenious. Its elasticity allows the nest to expand as the chicks grow, ensuring they remain snug and secure. Inside the nest, females lay 2 tiny eggs, often smaller than a marble, which they incubate for about 2 weeks. The sight of a mother hummingbird feeding her chicks is a heartwarming spectacle, as she regurgitates nectar and insects to nourish them. The silent singers. Vocalizations of the small. While hummingbirds are not known for the melodious songs of larger birds, they have a fascinating repertoire of vocalizations. These include high-pitched whistles, chirps, and trills, which are primarily used for communication during mating displays and territorial confrontations. The sounds produced are often as varied as the species themselves, with some hummingbirds having unique calls that can help distinguish them from one another. Interestingly, the hum of their wings, created by the rapid movement during flight, also serves a purpose. The sound can act as an auditory signal to both potential mates and rivals, announcing their presence in a given territory. For those who observe these birds in the wild, listening closely can reveal a rich tapestry of sounds that accompanies their vibrant visual display, adding another layer of appreciation for their complex behaviors. The pollination powerhouses, unsung heroes of the ecosystem. Hummingbirds are often overlooked in discussions about pollinators, yet they play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of ecosystems. As they feed on nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from flower to flower, facilitating the reproduction of many plant species. This mutualistic relationship is vital. Many flowering plants depend exclusively on hummingbirds for pollination. The unique adaptations of hummingbirds make them particularly effective pollinators. Their long, specialized bills are perfectly designed to reach deep into tubular flowers, accessing nectar while brushing against the reproductive structures of the plants. In return for their feeding, hummingbirds help ensure the continuation of various flowering species, making them key players in the intricate web of life. The resilient survivors, adapting to challenges. Hummingbirds are not just fascinating for their beauty and agility. They are also remarkable survivors. These tiny birds have evolved several adaptations to cope with the challenges posed by their environment. For instance, during periods of food scarcity, or at night when flowers are closed, hummingbirds can enter a state known as torpor. In this state, their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy and survive on stored body fat. This ability to enter torpor is akin to hibernation in other animals, although it is much more temporary. Hummingbirds may remain in this state for several hours or even overnight, waking only when temperatures rise and food becomes available again. This remarkable adaptation showcases their resilience and highlights the delicate balance they maintain with their environment. The enduring enigmas. Conservation concerns. Despite their remarkable adaptability and resilience, many hummingbird species face significant threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and human activities. Deforestation, urbanization, and the use of pesticides contribute to the decline of the natural environments that these birds rely on for food and nesting. Additionally, Changes in climate can disrupt the timing of flowering plants, leading to mismatches in the availability of nectar during critical feeding periods. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these enchanting creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Various organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to raise awareness about the importance of preserving habitats and creating sustainable practices that support biodiversity. By planting native flowers, reducing pesticide use, and creating safe environments for hummingbirds, individuals can contribute to the conservation of these remarkable birds. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed uncovering the amazing secrets of hummingbirds, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more incredible nature stories. Join our flock for more fascinating facts that'll make you appreciate the wild world around you. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your hearts open to nature's wonders.